sanding and filling. Gripspeed multi-hole sanding strips available in 3 sizes. Bodyline Ultra Filler available in 3 different pack sizes to suit your needs. Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper. Bodyline 125mm random orbital sander for optimal abrasive performance. You can pause the video and read the detailed DA sander benefits. When filling a dent, the OE paint film or OE coating needs to be removed back to the bare substrate, as per the Bodyfiller technical datasheet for a durable and quality repair. The operative can be seen removing the coating with a P80 grip DA disc. The operative will now pre-clean the panel in preparation for the application of the Ultra Body Filler. The operative is using Bodyline Ultra Body Filler in a bag. This style of dispenser ensures a product is kept in optimum quality all the time and is very easy to dispense. For the correct mixing ratio, draw out equal amounts of body filler and hardener as demonstrated by the operative. There is no need to add any extra hardener to make it cure any faster. With a plastic spreader, thoroughly mix the body filler and hardener together, keeping the spreader in contact with the body filler as much as possible, thus reducing the addition of any air entrapment into the body filler mix. This reduces the risk of pinholes in the body filler. Once fully mixed, the body filler is now ready for application to the dented panel. The correct application for deep filling is to apply the first skim of body filler to the deepest part of the dent. Then to apply a second proud skim of body filler over the first skim of body filler. Then with the plastic spreader, shape the body filler to the correct proud profile as demonstrated by the operative. The body filler can now be left to air dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, heat can be used to speed up this process. However, once the body filler hits a temperature of approximately 40 degrees centigrade, the heat source can be then turned off, as no more heat will speed up the cure process, but will only use more energy. The operative now guide coats the body filler for sanding down to show low profile and imperfections whilst block sanding. Here are some top tips for a quality repair. You can pause the video to read the top tips. Bodyline Powder Set is recommended for this process. The operative in this video will be using the Bodyline multi-profile block. Here are some more top tips for a quality repair. You can pause the video to read the top tips. The operative is demonstrating the attaching of the flat face profile. The operative is now demonstrating the attaching of the concave face attachment. The concave face attachment is used on the convex panel surface as demonstrated, enabling maximum surface contact of the abrasive with the panel, and also eliminating any possible flat spots from the sanding block. The operative is now demonstrating the attaching of the large convex face attachment. The large convex attachment is used on large concave radius panels, enabling maximum surface contact of the abrasive with the panel and also eliminating any deep scores from the edge of the sanding block. There is also a smaller convex attachment for tighter concave panel shapes as demonstrated by the operative. Here is a list of the strip sizes and grades of sanding strips as recommended by PPG for a quality repair. The operative will now use a P80 Gripspeed Strip for the sanding of the Ultra Body Filler. The operative attaches a 41-hole 198mm Gripspeed sanding strip to the Bodyline flat multi-hole sanding block. With the dust extractant attached for removing the sanded body filler dust, this then lengthens the life of the Gripspeed sanding strip and also reduces the amount of filler dust in the working area, keeping it clean. Once you have sanded the body filler to the correct profile, it's then ready for the next process. Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper. Again, you can pause the video to read the product description. The operative is using Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper. This style of dispenser ensures the product is kept in optimum quality all the time and is very easy to dispense. For the correct mixing ratio, draw out equal amounts of body glaze stopper and hardener as demonstrated by the operative. There is no need to add any extra hardener to make it cure any faster. With a plastic spreader, thoroughly mix the body glaze stopper and hardener together, keeping the spreader in contact with the body glaze stopper. Once fully mixed, the body glaze stopper is ready for application to the finishing area. Now that the Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper is correctly mixed, you can apply the Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper over the sanded Ultra Body Filler and bare substrate. You can see how easily the Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper applies and flows. You can continually reprofile the Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper until you are fully satisfied that you have the achieved required correct profile for sanding. The Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper can now be left to air dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, heat can be used to speed up this process. However, once the Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper hits a temperature of approximately 40 degrees centigrade, the heat source can be turned off. The operative now guide coats the Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper for sanding down to highlight low profile and imperfections. The operative will now use a P80 Gripspeed Strip for the sanding of the Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper. The operative attaches a Gripspeed sanding strip to the Bodyline flat multi-hole sanding block. With the dust extraction attached, this then lengthens the life of the Gripspeed sanding strip and also reduces the amount of stopper dust in the working area, keeping it clean. Once you have sanded the Bodyline Ultra Glaze Stopper to the correct profile, it's then ready for the next process. Again, a 125mm DA sander and a 125mm Gripspeed DA disc will be used for the next sanding process. The operative is using a 125mm P320 Gripspeed DA disc to remove all the P180 scratches surrounding the repair in the OE paintwork. Ready for the application of a premium quality etch primer and premium quality high build primer for the perfect repair. Bodyline, delivering premium performance from start to finish. All available from Brown Brothers Distribution.